Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix COM Surrogate high CPU or disk usage in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, search here CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, type this command line sfc space slash scan now. So type this command line and press enter. Now guys, wait for a few minutes. It will take a couple of minutes. Once this complete, you need to type your second command line. So again open CMD and run as administrator. Now this time you have to type this command line DISM space online space clean up dash image space restore health. Press enter and again wait for a few minutes. Once this scanning complete, restart your system. So just guys, you try using this two command line to fix and to resolve COM Surrogate high CPU or disk usage in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.